It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Monday, the 25th of July. I'm James Spann. Middle of summertime here, hottest part of the year, but actually numbers this week maybe not that bad, but still, it'll be awfully muggy and sultry out every day. Check it out. There's the water vapor satellite view as this day begins. The heat ridge across the deep south, but the higher heights a little west of here. And a little weakness will develop in that upper ridge in coming days, hopefully knocking heat levels down, giving us a little better coverage of showers and storms. We note an organized band of thunderstorms north of the state this morning, but things are quiet here. A muggy summer morning, everybody in the 70s. Birmingham at 77. We'll expect highs low to mid-90s today in most spots. Heat advisories well to the northeast of Alabama. For us, the criteria for one of those, it's a heat index of 105. We don't expect that anytime this week, which is good. Slight risk of severe weather, the standard risk, well to the north. About Washington and Baltimore up toward central Pennsylvania, including Philadelphia. Tomorrow, a slight risk for parts of the high plains, and on day 3, a marginal risk in the same zone. No organized risks here, but as we all know, any summer storm can produce a wet microburst. The local area of strong straight-line winds, enough to knock down some trees and power lines, and of course, lightning is the big problem with them. This is the rain for the next 5 days, suggesting maybe the heavier totals a little west and north of here. This is valid through Saturday morning, but again, it's hard to draw these maps in summer. But I do think as the week rolls along, the coverage of the storms could be a little higher, especially toward Thursday and Friday. Atlantic Basin just got nothing to show you. The tropics very quiet on that side, and over in the Pacific there's some action, but the Atlantic Basin still covered mostly in dry air. So let's go. Model fans, here's the GFS. This is the 06E run, valid today at 1 o'clock. And again, you can see the 594 circles a little east and west of here, but it's a pretty classic summer day. Partly sunny, hot, humid, scattered afternoon storms. Here's the HER, valid at 4 o'clock, suggesting just maybe the better coverage of storms will be east of I-65. Both the NAM and the GFS are at 95 today. Tomorrow, same setup. Both models are at 93, a few scattered storms. And on Wednesday, again, the ridge begins to weaken a bit. The air loft a little colder, and that might open the door for a little increase in the number of scattered showers and storms, and we'll see that deal on Thursday and on Friday. That's not to say it's going to rain everywhere. It won't, but I think on those 3 days, collectively, most everybody stands a good chance of getting at least 1 or 2 downpours, and we just might back down into the upper 80s on a day or two. It's kind of hard to do at the end of July, but with enough cloud cover and showers, it's possible. Pretty much the same thing for the weekend. There's no change. Very moist air mass, scattered showers and storms. Same thing Sunday. Highs around 90. And a week from today, we've still got the ridge. Westerlies up north. Classic look. Monday, of course, is the 1st of August. The last month of meteorological summer. For those of you that are fall fans. And again, hot, humid, scattered showers and storms. The high will be around 90, maybe low 90s. This is the end of the forecast period. Wednesday of next week, August 3rd, it's the same thing. We have a flat ridge, and again, some chance of showers and storms, and a little tropical mischief maybe off in the Atlantic, if by chance this verifies, and that's a big if. We all know the GFS is famous for bogus tropical systems in the medium range. Now, the GFS, you can see what it does. It tries to bring the highs down into the upper 80s Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And it's possible, but the European doesn't do that. It's just consistent as a rock with mid-90s and mid-70s across the board. And that might be a little closer to the truth. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.